channel. So today we are going to be talking about how to clear our pimples and acne using stuffs you can find in your kitchen. Yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. So what we are going to be needing is cinnamon powder. You can use half teaspoon or a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, lime, but if you can't find lime you can actually use lemon. So but I have lime here, so I'm going to be using lime. Just extract the juice like so. Then you add half teaspoon of honey to this like so. This might actually be too much, so I'm just gonna pour this out. Add this to our mixture. Yeah, this is what it looks like. So you just mix this properly till you get a paste. Yes, and this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So you apply this on your face. You can apply this on your face using a makeup brush or your hand. I actually like using my hand. So after application, this is what it looks like. After applying, this is what it looks like. Yeah. So you leave this on for, let's say, 30 minutes to an hour. So don't forget, what you'll be needing is cinnamon powder, lemon or lime, then honey. Make your paste and apply. Leave on for 30 minutes to, let's say, 1 hour. Then you wash off with lukewarm water. So I've washed off mine. Then you clean. Now you have to moisturize with something. You can either use coconut oil or if you have a moisturizer, but this is what I use as my moisturizer. I don't know if you guys have seen it. This is not a sponsored post. Light Natural Caroone. This is what I use as a moisturizer. I actually added coconut oil to this, so I'll just take a little portion of this and I'll apply on my face. Yeah, so this is what I use as my moisturizer. So this method, you can do it for, let's say, 3 to 4 times in a week. I actually do mine 3 times in a week. It has really helped me. I used to have a lot of pimples and acne, but now they are just coming reduced. So this is the end of the video. If you love this video, do like and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and turn on your notification button, so when I get to do a new video you get to see it first. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. Bye.
Black Jersey on the beat.